Hello friends, today I'm going to be showing you two simple DIYs. This is the first one. This is my version of a faux marble decorative tree. I've seen some really expensive ones on some sites, so I thought why not create my own. And then here we have the marble ornament. Let's get started. So first off, we're going to be starting with this acrylic paint. I have 4 colors. I have a vanilla color, black, white, and gray. And then I got some of these clear DIY craft ornaments from Dollar Tree. I got some small ones and some large ones. Just wanted to get a good variety of sizes. So this is pretty simple. Here are some that I've already done. As you can see, there's still clear parts on it, but I prefer it that way. I think it kind of gives it a cool look to still have some see-through sections. So first off, we're just going to take off the top. You're going to choose what colors you wish to use. My paint was kind of running thin, so I decided to just lay them down horizontally to make it easier to pour. Next, we're just going to pour into the ornament. And you want to make sure that you're layering the colors that you're using. So as you can see, I'm going back with colors I've already inserted into the ornament, and then I'm just going back and layering those on top of each other. And this is important because it makes it easier and it makes it the swirl more prevalent in the ornament itself. So it makes it easier to move around inside the ornament, and then you get more of the marble effect as well. And make sure you're doing this on a surface that you don't mind getting paint on. This table is my craft table, so I was fine if paint got on it, and it's pretty easy to get this paint off. But if you're not using something like this, definitely line the area that you're working on. Here I am putting on the top, but I want to warn you guys, this is not the way to go. I learned my lesson the hard way, so you don't want to put on the top just yet. The best way to do this is to have a disposable small cup, or a cup that the ornament will not fit completely in and will kind of just sit on the rim of the cup. Unfortunately, I don't have this on camera. I did it after the fact. And you want to leave the top off and then place the ornament upside down into the cup to drain. And that is because the amount of paint that we're putting inside there is too much for it to dry. So you want to let it drain. You'll still have the beautiful coating on your ornament, but you won't have a pool of wet paint inside the ornament like I did at the end of everything. So go ahead and do that and let it drain for at least a day, and you'll be set to put the tops back on and place them on your tree. So here I'm just using more colors, more of the vanilla color, and making some more ornaments. Pretty much repeating the same process. And that is it. Here is how my ornaments turned out. I love this look. It's so easy, so affordable, but it looks very upscale. Now for project number 2, I purchased 2 different types of marble contact paper from Amazon. I will link them below. I ended up just using the black. I felt like that fit my aesthetic more, so I just went ahead with the black, but you can do whatever color you like. You will also need some type of cone shape. Here I'm just opening it up and then kind of looking to see what I'm working with here. It's important to fit the paper around your cone. The last thing you want to do is start putting the paper on there and realizing it's too short, because you really don't want to break up the pattern of the marble. These cones I purchased from Michael's a few years back. I did another Christmas DIY project with some decorative wire cones, and I used these cones to store my wire cones, but I no longer use the wire cones, so I figured these would be perfect for this project that I've been wanting to try. I know they have some on Amazon, and they also have some styrofoam cones on Amazon, so you can try there. I will try to link below some options. So I'm just kind of folding the edge onto the cone. It sticks very easily, just like a sticker. I'm just gonna clip off some excess just to make things easier. There's a lot less surface area at the very tip, so the less the better. And then you kind of just want to smooth it on and rub it on as you go. I'm slowly turning and smoothing. I'm slowly peeling off the backing. I don't know if you can tell, but every little turn that I do, I'm peeling off backing from the back. And I think that makes it a lot easier than just having the sticky paper to deal with if you decided to take off the backing of the amount that you need initially. So I would definitely recommend gradually peeling off the backing. And as you can see here, there's the backing, and I'm just kind of going as far as I need to, as far as peeling it off. And I am almost done. So here I am just smoothing it out all over with my fingers, making sure it's fully adhered. As you can see, it's fully adhered. There's no more cardboard visible. Now we are going to cut off the excess paper. Unfortunately, I kind of got this next step out of frame, but all I did is make some slits into the excess paper that was hanging off the edge, and then I just simply folded them over. Here I am using some tape that I happen to have to just secure it in, because I noticed that some of the edges started lifting off. So I'm just using the tape for extra security. And here we are. I used these cones to decorate my entryway table, and I love how they turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspiring and easy to follow along. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like more content like this. I'll be sure to make some more DIY videos for you guys. Thank you.